The power of a low-code platform like Mendix really lies in the collaboration between the developer and the business. And I think ABN AMRO really understands that and focuses on that collaboration. We have a community of Mendix developers that's really grown rapidly in the last few years. And we're currently around somewhere between 80 and 100 developers, spread out across 25 teams. We try to, as a central team, enable all of those teams to collaborate with each other using all kinds of digital platforms like Microsoft Teams, like our own communication platform within the bank, Yammer. We write pretty extensive documentation as well, so we try as a central team to really boost that community in all kinds of ways.
In the beginning, when I was starting with Mendix, there were some problems which I didn't know how to solve because I was new with the low-code platform, and then I came across the Mendix community. So there were a lot of things that were answering my question. So if you are new to Mendix, I will recommend you to just start working with it, to do the courses, but I learned a lot while I was working with it. It is very easy to understand, it is very easy to learn, and I think by doing it you will learn a lot about it. I think customer engagement is very important for success. With that I mean like there needs to be a lot of communication with the customer and with yourself. You really need to know what you can use Mendix for and also how you can use it, and to have all kind of expertise in your teams.
Collaborating with partner organizations like Stoneworx, like Capgemini, brings in a lot of experience. ABN AMRO uses Mendix in a pretty specific way, but that also means that we sometimes are in a bubble and we need outside experience to make sure that we know what other organizations are doing with Mendix. There is so much to learn, so much to do, so much to find out in a platform like Mendix. You will never run out of new things to try and new things to discover. If you're new, if you're experienced, it doesn't matter. Keep asking questions and keep learning. A good Mendix developer, I think, has a structured way of thinking, very much useful in software development, but also has communication skills that enable them to communicate with a business person. So a good Mendix developer functions as a bridge between the business and the IT department and really understands how to translate and simplify business requirements into a Mendix application.
If you look at the low-code Mendix platform within ABN AMRO, we have a lot of different types of applications on it running. From simple applications for reserving a parking spot towards way more complex applications within the DFC domain, for example. And I think what we see is it doesn't matter how complex your application is. The main benefit of working with a low-code platform is that you also receive feedback pretty soon on what's being delivered by the developer. And also from a business perspective, you can actively steer upon to improve your application and to also to make sure that you get the application that the business is needed to solve that problem.